ECU stands for Energy Communication Unit. It serves as the brain of the APsystems microinverter system, responsible for receiving and processing information from the microinverters and sending instructions to them. The APsystems ECU can communicate with various APsystems products, such as the QD2 and DS3 series, offering real-time insights into your solar devices and energy production. Next, we will introduce how to install the ECU-R. Inside the packaging, you will find the following accessories: the ECU unit itself, press the AP button to open the ECU's Wi-Fi, a pair of rod antennas, a network cable, and a power adapter. If you choose to install the ECU at home, plug the ECU power adapter into a wall socket. When the green power indicator on the ECU lights up, it means the ECU has started up normally. Attach the antenna to the Zigbee and Wi-Fi port. Try to place the ECU near the rooftop window or in an area close to the inverters where there is no communication blockage. If you choose to install the ECU inside the home distribution box, you need to connect the adapter to the power connection port at the back of the ECU-R. When the ECU power light turns green, it means that the ECU starts normally. It's recommended to use a 2.4G extension antenna in this case. After connecting it to the ECU's Zigbee port, mount it outside the distribution box to avoid interference from the box itself. The ECU is not waterproof, so do not expose it to rain or moisture. Keep it away from liquids, acids, or corrosive substances. Next, we need to connect the ECU to the network. The ECU supports both wireless and wired networking. For wireless networking, you must install the antenna on the ECU's Wi-Fi port. This is used for the communication between the ECU, the phone, and the Wi-Fi. Press the AP button to open the ECU's Wi-Fi. Turn off mobile data on your phone and search for a Wi-Fi hotspot named after the ECU's ID, the default password 88s. Open the APsystems EMA Manager app. Select Local Access on the app. Then go to the ECU Network Settings under the workspace. Choose WLAN Settings and connect to the desired Wi-Fi network. Go back to the home page. You can see Internet Connected. For wired networking, plug the network cable into RJ45 Internet port of the ECU. When the ECU is connected to the Internet, the cloud indicator light will turn green. You can also log into the APsystems EMA Manager app to check if the network connection is successful. Finally, connect the ECU to the inverter. Open the APsystems EMA Manager app and access the ID management section within the workspace. Click Add to register the inverter. You can either scan the barcode on the inverter label or manually enter the inverter's ID. After entering the ID, click Sync. If the sync status for all inverters is shown as OK, it means the inverter UIDs have been successfully uploaded to the ECU. Return to the workspace and click on Inverter Connection Progress to monitor the networking progress. When it reaches 100%, the networking status will display OK, and the signal strength will be shown as normal, indicating the Zigbee network between the ECU and the inverters has been successfully established. At this point, you can view various system data on the home page. After completing the above operations, the installation of ECU-R is finished.